Hello everyone, welcome to this series on literary terms and literary theory. If you want to study the notes and MCQs related to this term, you can click the link given in the description. We are also going to start our online and offline classes for UGC NET for English literature very soon. So stay connected with us. In this video, we will discuss the term confidant. Introduction. Confidant, also known as confidante, in its feminine form, is a significant character found in both drama and prose fiction. This video explores the role and significance of the confidant in literary works, analyzing how this character serves as a trusted friend to the protagonist, providing a channel for the intimate thoughts and emotions. The confidant not only aids in revealing the protagonist's inner world to the audience or readers, but also acts as a narrative device for conveying essential information without traditional theatrical techniques like soliloquies or asides. The confidant in drama. In dramatic literature, the confidant serves as a valuable intermediary between the protagonist and the audience. By playing a minor role in the action, the confidant gains the protagonist's trust and becomes the recipient of his confidential thoughts, problems, and feelings. This enables the playwright to communicate crucial knowledge, the state of mind, and intentions of the main character without relying on explicit stage devices. For instance, Shakespeare's Hamlet features the character Horatio, who acts as Hamlet's confidant, while Antony and Cleopatra showcases Charmion, Cleopatra's maid, in a similar role. The confidant in prose fiction. Prose fiction also embraces the notion of confidant, with Dr. Watson from Arthur Conan Doyle's Sherlock Holmes stories being a well-known example. In this context, the confidant becomes a critical figure for modern writers who adopt a limited point of view. By renouncing the privilege of omniscient narration and direct access to a character's thoughts, authors like Henry James employ the confidant as a narrative device. This approach enables them to convey essential information to the reader through the confidant's perspective, who acts as a ficelle or puppeteer's string, controlling the flow of information. Significance and function of the confidant. The presence of the confidant in both drama and prose fiction serves several essential functions. Firstly, it allows for a deeper exploration of the protagonist's emotions and motivations. Through the confessional relationship, the protagonist can express vulnerabilities and intimate details that might otherwise remain hidden. Secondly, the confidant provides a means of exposition, relaying information and backstory that contributes to the overall understanding of the narrative. Additionally, the confidant's role often includes offering guidance and advice to the protagonist, impacting his decisions and actions. Evolution of the confidant in literature. The concept of the confidant has evolved over time, reflecting changing literary conventions and narrative techniques. In traditional drama, the confidant played a direct role in advancing the plot and revealing the protagonist's inner turmoil. In modern prose fiction, especially in works like Henry James's novels, the confidant becomes a narrative tool, bridging the gap between the reader and the protagonist's internal world. Conclusion. The confidant, whether in drama or prose fiction, holds a crucial position in the literary landscape. As a trusted friend to the protagonist, this character serves as a vessel for intimate thoughts and emotions, enabling the playwright or author to communicate essential information and enrich the narrative. The confidant's role has adapted over time, reflecting the evolution of literary styles and the changing demands of readers and audiences. So this was the discussion on the term confidant. If you have any doubts or questions, you can ask them in the comment section. Until the next video, goodbye and thank you.